Hi, I'm Jason. I'm the account manager for X1 Borden Court. Welcome, come on in and have a look at our recently refurbished flat. Okay, so come on through to the kitchen area. So some of the flats have different layouts, but this would be our kitchen and living room area. All kitchens come fully fitted with a microwave, kettle and toaster, so you don't have to worry about bringing those with you. And we've also included a washing machine in every kitchen too, and that is a washer and a dryer. So if you've been in student halls before and you paid for washes, you've saved yourself a bundle there. All flats also come with 2 fridge freezers as well, so again, you don't have to worry about sharing freezer space with a lot of people. We do provide a TV in every flat, and that TV comes equipped with Sky, and that has Sky Sports and Sky Movies on there, so you're sorted for movie nights and weekends and for your sports on Saturdays too. Okay, so come on in. This is one of the large rooms we have here in X1 Borden Court. As you can see, there's a bit more space. These rooms also come with a double bed and the same furniture, so there's a desk, chair, sink in every room, wardrobe, shelves, drawers and a TV on